I'm here today to talk to you about this lovely quilt. It's called Kitty. It's a new range of fabrics from Macawa. It's designed for Macawa by Judith and she has used, as I say, the fabric range called Kitty. If you look at the quilt, it's a medallion quilt. The center is from pre-printed panels and a pieced block. It's then surrounded by one simple border, and then I'm going to say a simple checkerboard, corner squares, and then the final border is Dresden plate. This center block is thought of as 3 rows, despite the fact that this is wider, 3 rows. And then you would sew this onto here, matching this seam and this seam, and then this onto here, matching those seams. So there's your center block.